Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into Binance, one of the most world's leading cryptocurrency platforms for buying, selling and managing details assets. Whether you are a beginner learning the basics or someone ready to explore trading, staking or earning options, this guide will walk you through it all. I will show you how to set up your account, secure it properly, deposit funds and navigate the Binance dashboard step by step so you can trade with confidence. So right now I am at the dashboard of my Binance account. By the way, this Binance is also available on your Play Store, Google Play Store, as well as your App Store. So I have already created my account and done my KYC verification. So this account is verified. Here you can do live trading as well as you can send and receive payments. As you can see that if you want the estimated balance in my account is right now this one. So if you want to deposit any kind of amount, you have to click on this deposit section. Okay, so you can deposit money in two ways, like P2P trading, as well as you can use the deposit crypto. In P2P trading, you will use the people like in your country who can to whom you will pay in your local currency, and they will add or deposit that amount into your account. Okay, so the other option is through deposit crypto. So if you have already crypto amount in any of your other wallet, then you can deposit your amount in here. Okay, so they will provide you a different wallet address, and then you can use this wallet address. Like if you want to deposit USD, you will select the USDT and you will select the network. So let's suppose I went for APT. So that's how you will get your USDT address, and then you can use it to deposit your crypto amount in that. Okay, so what if you want to withdraw any kind of amount to your local currency, then you will just click on your withdraw section in your dashboard. So I'm going back to my dashboard. So on the right side you will get two options, like you can withdraw and deposit as well, and there's an option for the cash in as well. So if you want to withdraw, then there will be two options again, like you want to do P2P trading or you want to withdraw it back into your account, in the same account. So you can do the same with these settings as well. Okay, so on the left side you will get your assets, all assets, like you can overview. You can also check for the spot asset, margin asset, futures assets as well. So if you open any trade, you will see all of the details here. Okay, so if you open any order for P2P trade, you will also see all the details in here. So that was all about Binance, how you can use it, how you can deposit and withdraw money to your local currency. So that was all about it. So I will catch you in the next video with more detail. Thanks for watching.